Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So this is the diagram. So you have to find out the similar triangles. How many triangles are there in that particular diagram? This is a very simple way. The simple way to get the numbers of triangles. Very easy trick. So in that case, what you have to do if the figure is like that. So in that case, you just numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So highest number is 4. So 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. So there are altogether 8 numbers of triangle. It is very easy and simple. Within a second only you can find out the solution. Here also same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the highest number. So 8 into 2, 16. Similarly, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 2. There are altogether 12 numbers of triangles. So within second only you can find out the solutions. So it is going to be very helpful for you. So thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I just request to everyone to subscribe my channel. So here in that case, this is a different case, different figure. So here also you have to find out the total numbers of triangles. The figures are different. So if the figure is like that, how will calculate the numbers of triangles? Now let's do the trick. It's a magic trick. So numbering it here from the base, how many bases are there? 1, 2, 3. Here is also 1, 2. Now add this number. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much it will be? 6. This one, 1 plus 2. That is 2 plus 1, 3. If we add, you will get 9. So there are altogether 9 triangles are there in this particular figure. Now let's take the second figure. So similarly, base wise you have two number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is also one base 1, 2, 3. Another base is there. Similarly, you have to mark it 1, 2. Now add. These are the numbers you have to add up. Then these are the numbers add. Then these are the numbers you have to add up, and then you have to get the totals. So this is the trick. This is the technique. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much it is? 10. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 6. Then 1 plus 2, that is 3. So if we add up, you will get 19. So in this particular figures, there are 19 numbers of triangles are there. So it's within a very short time, within a second, you can find out the answer. So it is really going to be very helpful for the students. So I just request all the students, not only the students as well as the parents, please do subscribe my channels. Link is there at the top. So you can press the link button and you have to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the icon bell in order to get the new notifications. So thank you. So hello friends. So in that case, you can see that diagram is different. This is a square. Okay. Total, not exactly square. This is a rectangle, but you have to find out the total numbers of square inside the box. So similarly, if I'm going to count it, it will take a long time. So I have an easy trick. I will show you how to find out within a very short and super time. So you can save your time. So what we have to do, you have to numbering like this. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Then this multiply with this. These 2 multiply with 2. Then 1 multiply with 1. Then what will happen? 3 into 3, 9. Then you have to add up. Plus 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1 into 1, 1. So what will be the total? 14 numbers of triangles. You can find it out here. So there are total 14 numbers of, square. Square will be there. So similarly, if I consider this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, here also you have to remember 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will multiply by 4, 3 will multiply by 3, 2 will multiply by 2, 1 will multiply with 1. So let's check how it will come. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1. So if we add, you will get 30. So in these figures, there are all together 30 number of square is there. So in that case also similarly you can find it. This is for you have to do it by yourself. And whatever the answer will come, you will write it in the comment box. I'll be there to check all the comment box. Thank you.